We're looking at a C1 Concierge Class stateroom on board the new and luxurious Celebrity Apex. And they're supposed to have a digital key on board, but I haven't gotten it to work so far on this cruise, so we're using the good old key card. And they no longer give you a card to hook on your door outside. They give you a little magnet here in case you don't want to be disturbed. It sticks right like that. And you can see this room is on deck 12. It's cabin 12138. We're right midship, close to the forward elevators. So that's really good. And this will show you the deck plan, your location, the muster stations, all that kind of stuff. You can now watch the muster drills online on your phone. And Celebrity Edge Series now has a LED room control system for the temperature, the lighting, the blinds, and with different mood lighting for the different times of day. We'll have a look in the main bathroom here with nice tile and kind of ash wood look. Got a little chip here on the sink, so they need to fix that. And hey guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. And this is my room on the cruise. So we're on day 9 of an 11-night cruise out around the British Isles. And I'll show you where we were today. Here's a look at the amenities. And you get some shower caps, vanity kit, and makeup removals. I like the soap. It's not terribly strong. And why do I have 2 filled up water glasses here? Well, I don't care to pay for the bottled water all the time, and the tap water is not bad. So what I do is I fill it up and let it sit overnight, and then all the chlorine and stuff will evaporate, and that'll be fine. We do have power outlets here for the hair dryers only. Fully stuffed here with towels, a little outlet there. Some artwork to have a look at in the room. A single head. And then we'll have a spacious shower. Look at the curved glass door. This does go all the way out, and the rubber conveniently will go up against the sink there so it doesn't break the glass. And more of the amenities here. Body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. And then this is a really neat grow shower head. And this moves up and down so you can articulate it to fit your size. And it has different modes, I guess you could call it, for the shower. So it'll have the jet, the Bocoma spray, the rain, and the rain O2. It actually has an oscillating function on it, which I think I've shown on some other videos. And I'm a slim guy, but I can fit in here all the way with plenty of space over there. Got another foot or two. I can turn around and do what I need to do. So what are the benefits of Concierge Class? Well, the room is the same as the standard Infinite Veranda and the Aqua Class. We're looking at 243 total square feet, including the Infinite Veranda space, which we'll have a look at. So we do have a closet space up here, and everyone gets their own router in the room. And does this open? Oh, it does. I didn't know that. So we have some more space here. And you get a free tote bag. Concierge Class gets binoculars for use, but you don't get to take them home. There is paid laundry service available. And also a couple umbrellas for use while on board. Nice little coral feature here. This is the main closet. Celebrity doesn't do a lot of lengthy cruises. Normally 12 days is the max, unless it's a big repositioning cruise, transatlantic or something like that. And what I do is I put my unused hangers down on the floor so they don't rattle around at night. Then of course we'll have a safe down here. So they give you a little shopping booklet, and I am a Captain's Club member, which is the loyalty program. So I get a welcome rose, which is nice. It's helping the room smell good. You do get private bar included, but you do pay for this, and I had them remove a bunch of the items just so it wouldn't take up the space. Concierge Class also gets a welcome bottle of sparkling wine. This one is from France. It's a Blanc de Blanc. Today we switched our destination. It was supposed to be Lerwick, but there was bad weather forecast, so we skipped that and changed direction and went down to Invergordon, which is the port of call for Inverness and Loch Ness if you want to go see Nessie. And today I did a really nice tour out to Dunrobin Castle, and they had a falconry demonstration there, and that was really awesome. This is a electronics port box here, so you can see we have the international ports, 2 American ports, 2 USB ports, and then you can close this and route the cables out like this. They're still giving hand sanitizers, but no more masks. And look at this, in May of 2023, Starlink is now active on board. There's 2 different levels. You can buy the standard internet package just to do emails and this and that. And then you can buy the upgraded package, which I don't think gives you a higher speed, but it unlocks YouTube and Spotify and other streaming services and that type of thing. Although there were a few accounts that I could not access because it shows that we're not in the United States. You do get a mini fridge for Concierge Class, and you do pay for the items in here, like the wines and the beer. And you can put your own things in there also if you want. This is the laundry service offer here. So it's $35 for a full bag of laundry with up to 8 items. And then also as part of Concierge Class, you get a free galley tour. And then I'm an elite member, so I get priority tender embarkation, although we didn't really need it here because the cruise is not totally full, surprisingly. And this is Celebrity Today. It's the main daily calendar on board. Tells you what to do. We have specialty entertainers on board the cruise. They give you some shopping things. And it tells us about the port of call that we were at today. And they made the changes here within a 24-hour space, and within an hour of the announcement, they had all of the tours set up for us. And then this is just basically the hour by hour, and you can see this on the Celebrity Cruises app now as well. So writing desk here, and kind of a chaise lounger couch. Oh, and by the way, this is the ventilation system, and this is one of the best things on the new Edge class of ships, which is the Edge, the Apex, the Beyond, the Ascent, and then one more that's coming on later. This is dead quiet. I don't hear a thing, and on a lot of cruise ships, the ventilation system is really loud and obnoxious and makes it hard to sleep. But if you want a quiet room, definitely come on Celebrity for that reason. Also, Concierge Class here gets a full king-size bed, and it does split into 2 twins. They'll put the nightstands in between. And tonight we got a little time change. This is tomorrow's calendar. And then, of course, the onboard booking program is awesome. I do recommend you book onboard, and if you're a US or Canadian resident, guess what? You can assign those bookings to me at Affluent Journeys. They'll find me in the system, and then I'll give you my normal bonuses on top of whatever they offer you here for booking on board. So it's a great way to stack it up on your next cruise. This is the disembarkation notices that they're giving us. And then we do have a full infotainment system built in with Celebrity on the Samsung flat screen TVs here. So safety information, you can watch all of the videos there instead of going to the muster drills. They have all different channels here. Some of them are not working. For some reason, Fox News, BBC works, but CNN does not. And then we're missing a few of the sports channels as well on this particular cruise. And they'll have streaming services, so you can set up to watch through Google Chromecast. They'll have video on demand if you want to watch different types of movies on board. Ship information. And all of this is on your app as well. And then on live TV, channel number 1 is navigation. And that's where we're going. So it gives you your speed, the air temperature, your location. And right now we're in the north of Scotland. We're turning back down to Rotterdam tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, because I'm getting ready to go home. By the way, this is the evening lighting and turn down service. I have not noticed any skimping or cutbacks in terms of the service here in Concierge Class, or higher for that matter. I have a room steward and the assistant room steward. They're in the room cleaning and making changes or delivering concierge class afternoon snacks and canapes every day. So the service is excellent. I've noticed a few cutbacks in the buffet area. Not as good as what I remember, before the pandemic, but it's still pretty good. And then this is everybody's favorite thing, the infinite veranda with the French doors. Sometimes I find these hard to open, especially if it's all the way shut. It's hard to get your finger in here. And so you can go like this and shut the whole thing. But if it's windy out, it still might rattle a bit, and this is not sealed. So if it's cold or hot outside and you have the window open, the air conditioning system shuts off. So you have to have the exterior window closed in order to have the air conditioning. Can't have them both at the same time. And guess what? The captain can lock the windows. You use this one to raise and lower the night shades, which you can also do from your app on your phone if you're sitting in bed and you don't want to get up. But this window, you have to operate from here and you have to hold it down the whole time. And so if you press to put the windows down, the nightshade will go up, and I'm still holding it. Maybe I have to press it again. Here goes the window. So that took about 18 or 19 seconds. And you can have a look out here. We are departing Invergordon, which was a fun port. The town is not much, but it's a port to definitely get on a tour and go places. So this is a C1 concierge. This is the highest category of concierge class, although you may not want to be right here on deck 12 under the overhang and close to the magic carpet. And yes, if people are there, they can see into your veranda. I've seen people standing there. All right, I hope you enjoyed seeing my concierge class stateroom here on board the Celebrity Apex. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit like on the video. That helps me a lot. Subscribe here to Affluent Journeys if you haven't already. That helps me a lot. And put your comments down below, what you liked and what you didn't like about Celebrity. What have you thought about the service lately? Right now we're in May of 2023. And any other comments that you think are relevant, I'd love to hear from you, and it may help other people determine if this is the right type of thing for them as well. Now, I am a luxury travel agent, and if you live in North America only, then I'm interested to hear from you on your next cruise, perhaps on Celebrity here in the concierge class or higher. And serious inquiries can contact me today at the phone number down below, or submit your inquiry on the website affluentjourneys.com. Now, if you want to see my special offers and exclusive deals, especially those that I get here on Celebrity, then make sure to follow Affluent Journeys on Facebook. You'll see them all there. And give me Affluent Journeys a follow on Instagram. You'll see various pictures and video shorts and stories that I'm doing on my various travels and whatnot. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thanks again for watching, and please stay tuned for the next one.